Hey friends, if you wish to resolve DNS issues on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I usually stick to two resolutions. Now one will say flush DNS, okay, flush DNS. And the second one is using a static DNS. Okay, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. You'll get the message successfully resolve the DNS resolver cache and the problem will be fixed. If it doesn't work, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Then right click on the active network connection. Select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8 alternate one 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then click on OK once again, and this will save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.